Hi, everyone. Sorry to keep you waiting today. We're still waiting on Morgan to join us, but I think sure he's on his way. I think he just got caught up in a previous commitment. Nonetheless, I will get a chance to share with you a little bit of what we've been working on with one of our partners, Durango Turnkey Services. I'll kind of just step through some of the content they created to share a little bit what we do. So a bit about Durango. Durango is a turnkey management solution. They are a service. What they help you do is, obviously, a resident gives you notice. You want to get it turned as fast as possible. Durango is the ones that can do it. They've got control. They've got they've got all the people and all the actions. They're able to do this. Is what they do. Kind of best in the world at. So what's been cool about Durango, what they do, there we go. They use technology to streamline the process to ensure efficiency and consistency. So obviously, we're the partner with Durango, and they use Iris as their platform. A great story. We got connected through the U.S. PropTech Council, Amy Bovado, and then at that point we got connected and started kind of scrubbing on how we could solve the problem, dug into it, and learned a little bit more about what they're trying to do. Durango differentiates themselves, fast turnaround. They can do this stuff in 3 to 5 days, and they don't consume your resources. A lot of times, what we hear from operators that they've got to, they have to have people on staff to do the turnarounds, and they're kind of hiring people that are either responding to resident requests or doing turns, but none of it's done really well or consistently. And so with Durango, they're able to deliver this to their customers exceptionally fast. Based out of Texas, they're able to manage that area, and they have the vendors and all those things right away. And again, their key point, make it really easy for you. So what's been cool about the Durango conversation is that they're able to package up with Iris, able to package up their make ready in a box. So this conversation is out there for all the people that are looking at a services solution. Durango's a great person to talk to, and maybe get some inspiration how video and visual can solve the way you solve your execution kind of gaps or friction points in the process. So if I take a look at what they've done with their ad, this is an Iris built platform. So they go out there and they send out a link or URL through QR code or however into to the resident, the property manager. They go out there and they select the guide they need to walk through. They type in the property, type in the number, click that and hit enter. So no app to download, no logins, none of this headaches. All this stuff is all managed and all managed for you to make it super easy. And then once the turn gets going, click on the text message, it happens all automatically. And for Durango, what we're solving for is getting all this detail automatically at a really high fidelity so that they can go and start doing their walkthroughs. And effectively, the folks on site do the walkthrough for them. So imagine right now, you've got a walkthrough scenario that you need to solve for. And that walkthrough, you're waiting for people to arrive. You're waiting for people to get coordinated. This, you just push it out and it happens automatically. And you step through the guides, you go through, make sure you click things through, and everything gets kind of categorized into little chapters. And those chapters have a big carve out whatever items you need to have on a punch list to complete that walkthrough. Of course, then you're able to have your scope of work. And the scope of work is how you deliver on the turn. Here's an example of them capturing countertops. You see in the bottom here in the gallery a little bit more around details and the outputs in terms of how you do it, capturing all those catalog and seeing that photo stream as you go along, and able to talk and show the issues that you're seeing as you're doing that turn. So imagine you're able to speak in any language and have the data converted automatically into whatever your operating language is, either Spanish or English. Going through cabinets here, capturing cabinet detail, and then capturing appliance information. So as you go in and take a look at the product information, you're able to catalog all of that product information, have that roll up and available for all of your data, and take a look. And then ultimately, after it's all said and done, you can go and take a look at the Durango app and see all the inspections afterwards. So all these guides, all these flows are all available through our partner Durango. They do the work. So give them a call when you want. Nick Shanabaum, excellent partner for us, and that's a bit of a punch up shout out to Nick and all the work that we're doing. And I don't think we're gonna get Morgan today, so I appreciate everyone listening for a little bit. happy to share the work we're doing with Nick, and we'll let everybody go. Have a wonderful day. Morgan and I will reschedule. He just sent me a note. He's unable to make it today, and we'll get this back on the calendar for everybody. Thank you for all your time. Take care. Bye, everyone.